That's going to be a leap as a straight fall. On you go. Stay up there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go!
Don't think we should be encouraging this, but...
She can't exactly get up without us. No, you stay here. Hold on to the window.
Hold on to the window, awesome. What are you doing, Doofus?